Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. If your AirPods Pro case is not charging, then we are here with some troubleshooting steps to help you. So let's get started. Firstly, clean charging port. Inspect the charging port on the AirPods Pro case for any debris, dust, or lint that may be obstructing the connection. Use a soft dry brush or compressed air to gently clean the charging port. After that, simply check charging cable and power source. Ensure that the charging cable is securely connected to both the charging port on the AirPods Pro case and a power source, such as a USB port on a computer or a wall adapter. Try using a different charging cable and power source to rule out any issues with the cable or adapter. So now, reset AirPods Pro. Resetting your AirPods Pro may help resolve charging issues. To reset them, place the AirPods Pro in their case, close the lid, and wait for at least 30 seconds. Then open the lid and press and hold the setup button on the back of the case until the status light flashes amber, then flashes white. So, if none of the above steps resolve the issue and your AirPods Pro case is still not charging, it may indicate a hardware problem. Contact Apple support or visit a Apple store for further assistance and potential repair or replacement options. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching.